Hey everyone, welcome back to Chirag tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to install and configure the Neo4j on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and how to access the Neo4j using the IP address and how to insert data to that. And we will insert the data using the Cypher queries. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. If you are new to the Neo4j or graph databases, then tutorial is perfect for you. So step one, we'll go through that step-by-step process. So we need the Ubuntu server 24.04 LTS and my Ubuntu server is running with the VMware workstation. There is a 24.04 LTS is there. Now I'm going to access my server. So you can access using any SSH tool. So CMD, I need some bigger size. SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.136.128. So DPT my user. So admin at the rate 123 sudo su. So clear this. So this is my server. So first I'll go through the updating my Ubuntu system by getting the latest packages. So sudo apt update update and I will upgrade also. So sudo apt upgrade -y. So same time I'm updating and upgrading that. So if your system is up to date, then it won't take more time. If not, then it will take download the latest packages and install on into this. So 0 upgraded and 0 newly installed and 0 to remove and 0 not upgraded. So we have in latest packages. So now I will go through the next step. So next step is that we'll just add the Neo4j repositories for that. So let me run this command. So edit. Now I'm going to update my system sudo apt update because just now we had changes on the source list file. So this is done. Now I'm going to install Neo4j with a single command. So sudo apt install and then we'll write this Neo4j and -y. So installation in progress. Neo4j is graph database and mainly we use for the and it will run with the Cypher queries and perfect to the beginner exploring the graph databases and Neo4j administration in 2025. So step by step process we are going to do and we have updated and we have installed this one. Now I am going to enable and start and status of the Neo4j. So let it complete. Okay, 99% is completed. So Cypher cell is there. So we'll run the query through the Cypher cell. So this is completed. Now I'm going to enable the Neo4j. So sudo systemctl then enable and Neo4j. Neo4j. So this command will enable the Neo4j. Whenever the system will reboot, automatically the service of Neo4j will start. So second, I'm going for the start. Then let me check the status. So status is that active and running. So this is done. Now I'll go through the Neo4j configuration file so that we can configure the Neo4j for the accessing through the IP address. Sudo nano /etc neo4 neo4j the neo4j.config. So go down. So default listening address, we'll change this one to 00000. Okay. So Control X Y. Let me restart the service. So we have changed this one, now restarted with. Now allow the firewall. So if you are using a firewall is enabled, then you should allow the firewall the default port. So Neo4j will run with the 7474. This is the default port for Neo4j. So I'm going to start and reload this one. So my firewall is off now. So this is showing the inactive. If you enable the firewall also, then we need to allow the port number. So accessing this one. So now I'm going to access through IP address. So IP, this is my IP address. Colon 7474. So we are able to access this one. Now we need the username and password. So default username will be the Neo4j. Neo4j and password also Neo4j. Let me connect. So connected. Now connect to the Neo4j, new password and repeat new password. We need the password. So I am just showing the admin@123. Admin@123. So click on change password. So we are connected with the Neo4j. Now we'll go for the insert some data. So we'll just check with the some data. And if you want to reset the password with the command line, then you can go through this line also. Okay. And one more thing, you can access the Neo4j using the Cypher shell. So this is the command. Let me write down the command. So this username is will be Neo4j and password is admin@123. So you can access through this one also. So next, insert some data into the ciphertext. So I'm going to create one person, name and role is DBA, and another person is the Ravi and developer. And I'm just inserting this data. So here is the we have inserted this data. You can able to see Chirag Ravi with 3 times we inserted. All the details will be here. So next we are moving for the we have already done this one. So key topics are covered. Install Neo4j on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Configure Neo4j for the remote access via IP. Fix authorization. So authentication we have inserted. We have done for the we have changed the password also. Insert data using the Cypher query. Access Neo4j with the browser and visualize the graph. We have done this one. So step by step process we have seen on this. So follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for free certification tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Thank you.